And China's broader property market remains under stress, with home prices still falling, construction activity slowing and demand staying weak despite government efforts to revive the sector. As developers navigate an uncertain landscape, the road to recovery remains challenging. Let's delve into the latest trends shaping the market. Take a look.
Two of Hong Kong's biggest property developers, CK Asset Holdings and Henderson Land Development, have reported weaker profits as the real estate slump continues. Both companies face declining home sales, particularly in mainland China, while falling property values added to financial pressure. Despite some successful project launches in Hong Kong, demand remains weak and uncertainty in the market is weighing on future growth. The slowdown in China's property sector is now a key challenge for these developers. China's real estate market continues to struggle, with home sales and investments slowing further. Developers are dealing with falling property prices, weak buyer demand and high inventory levels. Government measures to revive the sector have yet to spark a meaningful recovery as cautious buyers remain on the sidelines. Construction activity has also declined sharply, reflecting developer concerns about unsold housing stock. While authorities are pushing for market stabilization, structural issues such as affordability and shifting demographics are keeping the market under pressure. With home prices still falling, some buyers are looking to smaller cities for affordable housing. Places like Fuxing and Higang have seen increased interest from young professionals seeking lower costs and a slower pace of life. However, these markets come with trade-offs, including unfinished buildings and limited infrastructure. Despite government efforts to ease home buying restrictions and boost confidence, the broader real estate market remains fragile. Developers, investors and policymakers are watching closely, but for now, China's property sector faces an uncertain and slow road to recovery. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.